I'm a little bit late, but like a week ago, I was seeing people updating their phone and making somewhat of a cute, like, aesthetic background and setup for their phones. So I decided I should do that too, because my phone pretty plain and simple. And like, that ain't cute. So if you're trying to make your this sounds so cringy. I'm like trying to be like those YouTubers where they just okay. You know what? I'm gonna be me. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what is up? I already said I'm Claudia. If you are not new, well, welcome back. What's up? Where have you been? Thank you for coming back. Anyways, as I was trying to kind of get to that sentence. In today's video, I am going to show you how to customize your iPhone with the new update, iOS 14. It's pretty cool, and I'm going to show you step by step. So if you want to know how to customize your iPhone, keep watching this video. Yeah, by the way, I'm going to have a timestamp at the bottom in the description. I might also put it in the comments, so like, you know, so I'll have a timestamp right there. Missing someone. Okay. Okay, so let's start off with the most important step. We're gonna show you how to update your phone. I'm pretty sure everyone has that, but just to make sure and everything, let's show you how to do that and all of that. So yeah, this is my lock screen. It's pretty simple. I made that. Took me a while because I didn't know how. Then you're gonna go through your settings. After, you're gonna scroll down, click on general, click on software update, and then bam, iOS 14. Ooh, I'm bright. iOS 14. You're gonna download and install. I'm gonna type in my password. Oh, I got it wrong. Oh, I got it wrong again. There. Got it! I'm used to always using my fingerprint, that's why. You know, read what you gotta read. Then after you finish, put agree, and bam! It's updating! Oof. Well, after it updates, it's gonna take a while. I don't know around how long it's gonna take because I'm literally just updating it right now and recording this, so what's it called? But yeah, after you update it, then I'll show you the next step. Step número dos. Número dos. We made it to número dos. Okay, let's get on to it. Okay, step número dos consists of decluttering. We're gonna clean up our phone so it's organized and nice. Okay? Okay. So, the way you do that is you hold on to whatever app you want to move, then you're going to put edit home screen. After you put edit home screen, you're going to click the minus, then remove from home. And no, do not panic, that does not delete your app. That just moves it to all the way to the end where all your apps will be. So yeah, that's how you do it, and keep doing that to whatever you want to get rid of. And yeah, like, it's not getting rid of it, like deleting it, it's just moving everything to like the end, if that makes sense. Just declutter, you know what I mean? But yeah, okay guys, we made it to step número 3. Okay, so now for step number 3, we need to find inspiration. And by that I mean just go on, you know, Google or whatever you want to use. I'm gonna go on what do you call it? I'm gonna go on Pinterest and just look aesthetic pictures, and bam, there's literally pictures everywhere. Find the pictures you want to use, and once you have them down, we'll head on over to step number 4. Okay, I'm gonna just show you some of some ideas that I found on Pinterest. So these are not mine or any of that. So You know, so there's this one. This one's pretty cute. It's like Halloween season. We're in Halloween season. So here's like a little fall. It's fall. There's this one. This one's pretty cool. Like I kind of like it. You know. And then there's the pink one. It's I just stuttered. Here's a purple one. Here's an anime one. Here's this one. This one's pretty nice too. And like, I don't know, like if you want ideas, you could just go on Pinterest. And here we are. We finally made it to step numero 4. Home screen format. And you could format it however you want. Like there's different ways you could format it. Like we bought a format. Everything. Map it out if you want to. Like I'm gonna put it in a piece of paper and put where I'm gonna want where and how I'm gonna want it and all of that. Here's a format that I made. You guys could screenshot and use whatever format you want. We made it to step numero 5. This is where we add the widgets. So, you don't know how to do that? That's totally fine, because that's why I'm here to teach you. So first, okay, you go to the App Store and then you type in Widgetsmith. As you can tell, I already did because, whatever. Then you download it. After it downloads, you open, and then from here you could choose small, medium, large. I'm gonna go with small, and then from here just click on it, and here you could choose like however, like whatever format you want it. I'm gonna choose that. From there you could choose like the font. Like there's literally so many fonts. I'm gonna just do New York. Here you get to choose the color. I'm gonna just keep this one, let's see, white, and then the background, whatever one you want. Ooh, there's a lot of colors. And then the border, you choose your border. I'm gonna use gray. And then when you're done, you go back and you put save. From there, you go out and just click on whatever and then put edit home screen. Then you add the plus sign and scroll all the way to the bottom and it says Widgetsmith. Y'all see that? Click on it. Choose the small one or whatever one you want. Add widget and bam! I added it. And then from there you just keep doing the same. Like I said, whatever format you want. I'm gonna do small again, and then I'm gonna do it all over. Widgetsmith, add widget, and bam. Now from here you could just move them around and have them however you want it. Like that. Okay guys, now let's show you how to add the widget. So guys, listen, because this is where it gets complicated. Okay, so you go on widget, then you go here and you scroll and it says photo, right? Did I say squirrel? Y'all know what I meant. So you click on photo, select photo, choose photo, and click whatever photo you want. Bam. Oh, and go back and put save. There, it's saved. And bam. That's how you do it. Y'all get it? Yeah? Here, let's do it again. Click on the widget, then put add small widget for number 3. Bam. We go here, click on it, and scroll down where it says photo, select photo, choose photo. I don't even know what that is, but it's randomly there. And that's when you go back and save, and then you get out. Oh gosh, what did I do? Then you go here, like hold down onto the thingy on the widget, then put edit widget, put the small, and since it's my number 3 that I just made, click on it, and bam! It's there! That's how you do it. And then from now on, just do that to like your whole screen and everything, and just add whatever widget you want. And yes, of course, all the time you're gonna have to go back. We are on step numero 5, or number 5, and this is where I'm gonna show you how you're gonna add pictures to the apps, like on Instagram and Snapchat, etc. So first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open your the app called Shortcuts. Then you're gonna click on the top right corner. You're gonna click the plus. You're gonna click on Add Action. Then click on Scripting. Then I'm saying that a lot, but listen, because this part takes a lot of steps, so you don't want to miss out on any. Then you're gonna click on Open App. Okay, got that? Oh shoot, I got that. Okay, open. Then you're gonna choose on whatever one you're gonna do. I'm gonna do Maps. Click on Maps. Open it. Then you're gonna click the three little dots right there. From there, you're gonna do Add to Home Screen. And then right here, you're gonna name it. So it's Maps. Bam. You're gonna click on like where next to Maps. Choose Photo. And just click whatever photo you want to use. Choose. Add. Done. And then bam. There it is. You see that? And that is how you add photos on your app. I don't know what all this was, but yes. Yeah, that's how you do it. And just repeat that step, so on and on and on until you get all the apps you need, basically. Okay, guys, let me tell you something important. Okay, so let me just do this real quick so like I could have something to show you. Add actions, transcript, open, maps. Okay. No, cancel. Okay. Sorry. Let's do mail. Not mail. Can I type? Mail. Okay. Dots. Add to home screen. Title it. Mail. Why can't I type? Spell it right. It's not that hard. Choose photo. Let's do this one. Choose. Add. Done. Okay. As y'all can see, I have mail right here, right? Edit home screen. But I still have it right here. Y'all see that? I have it right here. No, right here. Y'all see that? For that, you just click the minus and move to library, and that's where, you know, it all goes back there. And then, yeah, so you don't have two mails. Okay, now that I showed you guys how to do all of this, I just noticed how I didn't do my bottom apps. That looks so ugly. I'll do that later. I literally just noticed that. That's how slow I am. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my this 1, 2, 3, 4. I did my 3 favorite colors, and some of them I had to make, like the Louis Vuitton one I had to make because there wasn't one, so I had to like get the picture, type it in, do all that stuff, and I had to do that with some of my other pictures so that it would go with like so that it would just go. But anyways, we're not here to talk about that. I'm gonna show you something cool. Let's show you something cool. Are y'all ready? Alright, bet. Okay, so first, go to settings, go to accessibilities. Accessibility. Am I saying it right? Accessibility? I think so. The more I say it, I'm just gonna mess up. Then go to touch, scroll down, click on back tap, and then on the double tap, you could choose whichever one you want. What does spotlight mean? That's so cool. Volume down and volume up. That's low key. Okay, I'm gonna do screenshot for now. And then for triple tap, you do the same thing. You choose whichever one you want, and let's show you. Okay. So since for the double tap, I had it on screenshot. So look, double tap, double tap, and bam! It's screenshotted. Triple tap, it's gonna turn up my phone. 1, 2, 3. Ain't that cool? Like I told you, y'all girl got you. I got Choo. Now you're gonna be looking all cool like. I like the screenshot one because there would be times when I would have to like adjust the picture how I wanted it, and then with like my other two fingers I would have to like screenshot it, and like I've gotten used to that, so I mean it's not that hard anymore. But now that I could just double tap, I could just, you know, adjust it and double tap and take it, and like that makes my life so much easier. And then like the 1 2 3 and it turns off instead of blink. I mean it's easy, but like that's the tapping is pretty cool. They should add more like one tap, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Like I think that's pretty cool. I mean, don't you? But yeah. Okay guys, I decided to show you guys some widget apps that you could use. So obviously you could just use the widget app that, you know, we were using. You could use photo widget. There's Steve the jumping dinosaur. Like I had to get that. Like that's pretty dope. Like okay. There's sticky notes, color widgets, a widget, motivation, which I've had that for a while, so now that, you know, I could use it, I mean that's pretty cool. There's day count, and yeah, you see for motivation I have it here, and like you just, it changes like all the time automatically, but like let's say I don't like that quote or I want a different quote, I'll just, you know, choose whatever one I want, and then when I get out it changes into that quote. So I mean it's pretty cool. Ignore the two apps that I have. I found out that I didn't have them, so I had to add them. Also something I didn't show was how you could change the font. As you can see on this one, I changed the font, and I'm going to do that with the rest of my thingy-mabobbers, so y'all could do that too. Also, I don't really like this one. I think I'm gonna change this one. I mean, it's still gonna be black, but like not like these. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, a thumbs up, comment down below if you guys want to learn anything else, and or just comment down below whatever. Also, if you do this, like I know I ain't that famous and like not much people see my videos and everything, but if you do watch this video and I helped you out, you know, do all of this, I would gladly appreciate if you text me on my Instagram pictures of your home screen, and yeah. Other than that, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day, a good night, a good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. Thank you. Bye.